Let's test Oh my god, it's cool. Simon is good, but I guess she will go. And she got a crush on the wizard. How is this and this? Look at here. Here and here. How can they do that? Oh my god. Oh my god, the ads again. Okay. Except pink and orange. And Simon and the Wesley thing together. I guess they get sweet. I love you, I miss you, I miss you, I love you, I miss you. So, and Grandpa is love for Grace. Look at Grace is love. My God, ads again. Okay. And this boy and this grass hair girl is crushed of that boy. Okay, bye. See something spooky again. Okay. See you. Bye.